Today, really a few days ago, I've lost a computer that was pretty important to me. This is the early 2011 15-inch MacBook Pro. As you can see, it doesn't want to lay flat on the desk. And the reason for that is both the hard drive and battery have been removed. Move this aside. Now with all the screws removed, we can just pop off the back like that. Wow, okay. Now as you can see, this entire computer is missing the battery and the hard drive. Now, there was a battery in here a few days ago. I was gonna make another video on this computer, seeing if I can try to revive it, because the motherboard had fried itself like a year ago, because, you know, it probably got too hot to where the Intel graphics, as well as the AMD graphics, fried. I was going to make a video on if I can revive this thing somehow, but when I went to open up the computer, I couldn't click the trackpad down, which made me think one of two things. Either that there was some dirt inside the mechanism, or the battery was expanding. It was the battery that was expanding inside the computer. Now it's unfortunate because, I mean, you know, if you leave a battery sitting inactive for too long, it will start to do this. But yeah, the battery has unfortunately expanded, and it's sad because you want to know what happens if I plug in the computer. With the battery in, when I plugged in the computer, the fans would spin up and the power light would turn on, but you know, nothing else would happen because the motherboard was mainly fried. Now if I plug in AC power, literally nothing happens. We have the MagSafe connector. Yes, it's very dirty. Connecting it up to the computer, you see the green light. Let's press the power button, and nothing. You can see the power is connected. Pressing on the button, absolutely nothing is happening. Maybe in the future, when I'm actually fully skilled in repairing things, I will do a motherboard swap of a 2012 15-inch MacBook Pro and put it in here so that this computer lives on. And yeah, that's the unfortunate situation of this 2011 MacBook Pro. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. If you have enjoyed and you want to see more videos like this, well, not like this, but more videos in general, make sure to leave a like, maybe even subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys in the next one.